Hello YouTube. Bon, et si on allait essayer de libérer Ombrecoeur maintenant?
The House of Grief welcomes you and stands ready to ease your troubles. Welcome to the House of Grief. Or perhaps welcome is the wrong word, Shadowheart. There's been some debate whether you'd even show up and face the consequences of your actions. I assumed you tried to flee, like a craven.
Spare me your venom. I'm sure the Mother Superior will have plenty of her own.
All in due time.
Laissez-nous passer.
As I said, in due time. First, you submit to the mapping of the heart. Only then can we know what is to be done with you.
Pardon?
This is the House of Grief. We strive to help those whose hearts have grown heavy, be it with anger, melancholy, grief, or treachery. Submit to the mapping and reveal what lurks in your heart. If you consent, follow me. If you do not, leave. Proceed. The mapping will begin shortly. Have a seat. The mapping will begin shortly.
You seek to be unburdened, yes? The mapping of the heart can reveal the way. Yet, there is another here whose need is great.
That voice. Allow me. I think I'm supposed to do this.
Allez-y.
Do you know why you are here?
There is something I lost. No. Had taken from me. My family. My life. I want it all back.
Loss is a gift, girl. Do you still not understand that? Now give me the true answer. What is your purpose in being here?
Qui êtes-vous?
I am the one who asks the questions. She is the one who answers. You are the one who remains silent. Now, if all our roles are clear, answer me. What is your true purpose?
The artifact. I was sent to retrieve it. At any cost.
And who tasked you with this mission?
The Mother Superior. Of Shut. It's you.
Give me the honor of my name. In full.
I can't. My memories.
I know what's in that head of yours better than you do, girl. My name.
Mother Superior. Lyconia Devere.
You still have the wits to recognize your betters. Good.
Lyconia Devere. If only Shar would bless me with the forgetting of your face.
Always a pleasure to see old acquaintances. But you would be wise to not interfere in what is to come. Now descend. You have much to answer for.
An astral projection. Cunning of her. Not to mention untrusting.
C'est une vieille connaissance de Jaira. Encore. Tu peux... Eh oh. Ah d'accord. Je pensais qu'il fallait traverser, mais non. On peut juste cliquer. Alors... Carlac, ma grande.
Don't burn yourself.
Ma go.
Oh yeah.
Est-ce que tu peux casser cette merde?
How many die today?
Merci.
How many die tomorrow?
Cunning disguise can serve a warrior. That's what they always told us. I think this was my favorite part. Putting these on. Pretending to be someone else. I suppose that's been my whole life.
A crooked touch.
Je vais mettre Jaira aussi. Je vais mettre Jaira ici. Ah, allez. Et Minsk. Parce qu'ils connaissent Viconia. Et du coup, je me dis, ça peut rendre le truc intéressant. Et on va chercher... Bah, on va faire descendre Astarion. Hop. Je sais pas si ça va affecter les dialogues, mais si c'est le cas, ça peut être marrant.
Wonder if the gods are watching me.
Oh.
What a day. Oh, for a skeleton key.
Du coup, c'était soit le mur, soit la porte, quoi.
Is that blood? No, never mind. Walk in death.
Ah, vraiment, tout est verrouillé, quoi. Hein.
Keep your distance, darling. Let's crack it open.
Comme quoi, c'est assez hallucinant le nombre de...
Keep it together. Let's see.
de serrures à crocheter dans ce jeu.
Should mind my step.
I think I might have hurt people here. Learned how to break their bodies. Spirits. Quiet in here now. But it wasn't always so. Screams rang off these walls. I swear.
Vraiment, le fait que tout soit verrouillé, sauf là... Je pense que c'est un niveau qui va nous donner... Enfin, je pense que c'est un combat qui va nous donner un niveau.
The Superior must be
Et vous avez vu, on a rejoint à nouveau le temple de Char pour dire à quel point il est immense. C'est une toute petite aile.
Keep going. The Mother Superior's expecting.
C'est incroyable, hein. Dans chaque acte, on a eu une partie du temple de Char. C'est dire à quel point il est immense.
And embraced by Lady Shar beneath an extinguished sun. They already heard how you
Ah bah c'est, regardez,
disgraced
ça...
yourself before Lady Shar, how she marked you as the enemy. But it is quite another thing for them to see it for themselves. I am very glad you decided to return. A cautionary tale such as yours will be studied by Lady Shar's initiates for years to come. But perhaps I can make a case for some small measure of mercy. Give me the artifact, and I can at least make this quick.
Enough. I don't answer to you. Not anymore. I'm here for my family.
That's right. I know what you did.
And it's not going to be quick. Not for you.
This is your family. And now you have turned your back on it. The artifact was your last chance to prove yourself. And you squandered it.
Ombroka n'a rien à prouver aux gens comme vous.
Such misplaced camaraderie. How How about this? Surrender this one to me, now, and you can leave freely. And consider Lady Shah's forces your allies in the battles to come.
Jamais.
As you like. Lilala! For Shah!
Ah, j'avais pas réalisé que c'était une draw. Bien.
Time for a cull. Yes, here.
Sanctuaire. Oh, ouais. Bon. J'ai l'impression qu'on se fout un petit peu de moi. Hein. Bon.
Still standing. No
Je vais
matter
avancer
what
mes
you've
troupes.
heard. Not pinned down just yet.
Ah, je pensais qu'il activait son sanctuaire.
Let us see the battle won.
Alcine va s'occuper de ces deux-là. Tu vas enrager.
Time to strike.
Les ailes, tu vas t'occuper de ces deux-là. Waouh. Oh, elle tabasse, hein.
Need to stay focused.
Will. Non, pas Will. Parce qu'on va devoir jouer d'abord Gale.
Death is but a word away.
Survival is
D'abord Sifa. Ouais.
Coming for you.
On va faire ça. Hmm. Bon, 23 tiers, on est pas mal là. Hein.
Talk to me.
Gale.
Dice roll in my favor.
Oh, la sanctuaire. On peut même pas s'amuser.
May it please, Mistra.
D'ailleurs, ça te dirait pas de mettre un coup critique vite fait?
Blade will not bend.
Karlach.
Yes.
Pareil, tu vas enrager.
This is my time. Let my enemies fall. Butt kicking, for goodness!
C'est tellement chiant que elle est... Son sanctuaire, je l'aurais tellement démoli.
I am Lady Sharp's instrument. You cannot win.
D'accord, ça va être ça. Non. Ah ouais, si, elle le fait quand même. Ah, purée. Elle a plus sa concentration. Oh. Oui, vas-y, fais tes attaques à main nue. Ose passer à côté, tu vas te prendre. Ouais. Vas-y, tape-moi.
Shah's will shall be
Oh, tu vas te prendre une riposte. Oh. Dac. Allez, c'est parti. Oh bah. Ici. Ah, vous faites chier avec Ténèbres, hein. Ah, toi, si tu passes à côté de Karlach, c'est finito, hein. Ah, là, il... Ah, ah, bah non, elle a déjà fait son attaque d'opportunité, j'ai rien dit. M'en fous. Vous êtes nombreux, hein, mais c'est tout. Alors,
Must be done. Into battle.
oh toi, si j'arrive à te briser ta concentration, ça serait bien. Pareil, qui se concentre? Toi. Quel dommage, hein.
There's blood in here. I don't fancy their chances.
Blood comes easy these days.
Go for the throat.
Battle favors the fearless.
Sharp guns.
Victory awaits. On the move.
Victory is assured.
Oh si, on va faire ça. Allez. Techniquement, je pense que je peux la tuer.
Good move.
Ah non.
The dance macabre.
En tout cas,
I have missed this. The adventure, the danger, the kicking of butts. Someone hold Boo. He does not enjoy the bumpings to come.
je suis... Il tabasse. Il tabasse.
Time to kill.
going.
What should I do? Let's see.
Sanctuaire.
Bye forever, pal. Open up. Over there.
Ah, t'as plus ton sanctuaire là. Ah si, sanctuaire de l'égarement. J'ai rien dit. Écoute, vas-y, hein, si ça t'amuse.
Let's finish this.
I can do better. I should speak up.
Finish it. Send me to Lady Shah's embrace.
She still has answers I need.
Faites vite.
My parents. Where are they?
So blunt. Have you forgotten all the interrogation techniques I taught you? Where is the finesse?
Answer me!
They are right through that door in the Chamber of Loss, where they have been all along. You saw them many times, only we made you forget. But they didn't forget. They watched as we molded you. They watched. They wept. They bled. Often at your hand. It may not be a happy reunion, but it will be a memorable one.
Essayez de vous faire sortir de vos gonds.
I know. But she's not lying. She made me in her image. Why? Why me? Why all this effort?
Lady Shah commanded me, and I obeyed. I do not question. I merely act as she wills me to. I had an enclave in Waterdeep, you know. Much grander than this. Shah ordered me to raise it. Kill all who followed me. Claim they betrayed me. When in fact, I slew those who showed nothing but loyalty. Shah had me do that. And I did. To cover my tracks. To usher in you.
What are you talking about?
You became my mission. To take a child of Selûne's and turn her over to Lady Shah. To show that all light fades and darkness will prevail in the end. All this was to make you into what the Dark Lady needed you to be. The planning, the training, those deaths in Waterdeep. It was all to groom you to replace me at her right-hand side. And still you threw it away.
Que voulez-vous faire, Ombrecoeur?
I want to see my parents. And I don't care what happens to this one. She's been in my head long enough already. Do what you like. I know you'll choose well.
What are you doing? Come back and finish this yourself.
Je vais m'en occuper.
Let go, mother. Embrace loss.
Moi, je vais te
Stands
tuer.
at the same crossroads you yourself once did, Viconia. But it seems you are not quite the teacher you thought.
Boo thinks you have had every chance to change your ways. Count yourself blessed it is not he who judges you today.
Tu es Viconia. C'est une autre draw. Et voilà.
My lady.
J'en fais une affaire personnelle. Vous remarquerez que quasiment tous les draws que mon personnage a croisés sont morts. Hein. C'est pas trop mal. Hein. Ok. Minsk. Minsk.
Dream in red.
But it was good to feel the breeze between my toes.
D'ailleurs. Hop là.
Cometh the hour, cometh the hamster.
Ok. On va faire la prise de niveau de tout le monde.
Still breathing, despite everything.
Bon, je suis pas sûr que ça vaille vraiment la peine de tous les looter. C'est que des trucs assez basiques. Là, je vais pouvoir avoir l'Action Surge. C'est tout ce qu'on veut. Attends. Ça m'intéresse. Je le prends un peu tard parce que ça pourrait me servir pour, pour discuter. Pour les jets de persuasion. Ok. Provocation. Attaque précise. Qu'est-ce que je peux te mettre? Parce qu'en soi... Bon allez, hein, ça te fera plus de vie. Alors... Minsk... Je peux aller potentiellement lui chercher... 18, 19, 20... Rôdeur... Est-ce que je peux avoir un bonus de combat grâce à ça? Toi, qu'est-ce que je peux aller récupérer? Hmm. Faut que je trouve des trucs un peu pratiques. Bah, sachant que j'ai 16 en sagesse, je peux potentiellement aller chercher... C'est pas exceptionnel, mais si je vais chercher... Hop, là on va chercher Action Surge. Bah, il porte pas d'armure, mais... Écoutez... C'est juste pour l'Action Surge. Chanceux. Et toi aussi, potentiellement... En fait, c'est... Et comment? Si je prends le... La sous-classe Cercle des Sports, je peux ajouter des dégâts nécrotiques à mes attaques. Ça se prend. Qu'est-ce que je peux aller chercher pour Will? Ah bah, Roublard. J'avais commencé, hop. C'est bien. Hop. Toi aussi. Et toi... Alors, je peux te mettre 2 niveaux en paladin pour pouvoir débloquer les smites. Mais le problème, c'est que j'ai pas de charisme. Wow. Ça s'augmente. Allez. Hop. C'est vraiment, mais vraiment, juste pour pouvoir rajouter un tout petit peu de dégâts, quoi. Ok, l'Action Surge. C'est très très bien. Voilà, là le problème c'est que du coup, tous ces personnages-là, ils ne lootent rien de très intéressant. On peut les ignorer, quoi. Hein. On va ramasser la nourriture. Ah. Asta.
What now? With pleasure.
Bien.
Let's get going. Another step forward.
Diamant noir? Bien, je prends.
After I moved something on the altar.
Attends, comment ça?
Me.
Mhm. On va aller ici. Bon là j'ai l'Action Surge avec mon perso. Et ça c'est très chouette. Je mettrai un niveau dans Magicien juste pour pouvoir apprendre les sorts de nécromancie que je n'ai pas.
Shadowheart? I wasn't sure if I'd ever lay eyes on you again. It's me, Nocturne. Do you remember?
Remind me?
We trained together. We used to be close. I'm glad to see you're all right.
I don't remember you.
Oh. A pity. Perhaps we can talk some more later? That is, if you're not about to turn on me. It seems you no longer walk in the Dark Lady's shadow.
Vous n'êtes pas une. Ah non, ne rien dire.
Shah condemned me. By her decree, you and I are enemies.
Only if you wish us to be. You may not remember, but we shared a lot together once. Good times. Hard times. I will not turn on you, even if it angers Lady Shah.
That's good enough for me. I'm not sure what I expected coming back to this place. Certainly not a friend. There must be all sorts you can tell me. Things I can't even remember.
There are, but with the Mother Superior gone, I don't know if I can stay here to reminisce. Perhaps there's another enclave out there for me.
You don't need Shah.
You don't, perhaps. Not everyone is as brave. I'll leave come tomorrow. Come see me before then. I was working as quartermaster. I can sell you some things to aid you. And we can catch up.
Bien.
Greetings. Do you seek to trade? As Shadowheart's friend, I'll extend the privilege to you as well.
Qu'est-ce que tu vends? Ouais. Bah c'est pas bien fameux, hein. Non, bah écoute.
Be sure to get everything you need.
Enigma? Ouais, bah non. Je l'utiliserai jamais, du coup.
Justicia House. Jewels. Why do I remember these of all things? A gift from Sildanessala, Mother
La bouffe, on prend, hein.
Curious. I could never quite tell if she was proud of them or not.
Here we go.
Ok.
another way in. Only a patriarch's loss can open this door.
Careful.
What does that mean? Loss of status? Wealth?
Pourquoi me casser la tête en fait? Oh la ratio.
Mine's never quiet.
I see them. I see my parents. What's been done to them?
Putain, elle est pas mal. Dommage que j'ai fait la bêtise de lui donner le paladin parjure.
It can't be. Another vile trick.
No. There is no trick. It's her. Jennifer. Jen. Our little girl.
Moon Maiden's grace. It is you.
I'm here to get you out of here. They're all gone. It's over.
It is not over. You see, it matters not if you raise this place. If you slay every one of your brothers and sisters. That was never where my power resided. Every time you try to step away from me, every time you try to reach for Selûne, my hold on you bites deeper. If you had learned, if you had obeyed, there would be no pain. But you struggle on. You will make things worse for yourself. And for them.
Ignorez l'ombre, car Sameskirni n'a qu'un seul et unique but, gâcher votre victoire.
Victory? Your victory is but a guttering candle in the dark. Temporary. Inconsequential.
Enough! I'm taking my parents away from here. I'm taking them away from you!
You cannot. We are still bound to you. You cannot both free us and free yourself from her curse. The Moon Maiden needs you more than she needs us. You are the future. You must return to the fold. We are the past. And our duty is almost done.
Eloquently put. His mind stood up well to his time here. The same cannot be said for your mother. Such brief, fragile lives humans lead. This is my final lesson. I leave you now to dwell on your mistakes and make your choice.
Shah's parting words make your flesh crawl. There is no lesson to be learned here, only a family's torment, a spiteful goddess's whims, and an unspeakable choice to be made.
She's gone. I don't understand.
Shah will never admit defeat. Not until she has stolen one last thing from you. We cannot allow your future to be her last prize. Not after all your mother and I have endured. To see you again. Your companion understands, I think. Help her, please. Help her see what must be done.
À vous de choisir, Ombrecoeur. Libérez vos parents ou débarrassez-vous de la malédiction de Char.
No, I can't. I came here for them.
And you did. You found us. All these years, that dream kept us going. That you would break free. No matter what they made you do to us, we knew you were still in there.
I knew the Dark Woods wouldn't frighten you. You were always such a brave girl.
She was. And still is. You've saved us. Now save yourself. You'll be out of Shah's reach, and we'll be at peace.
But I only just found you again after all this time. I can't lose you again.
We'll still be with you. By the Moon Maiden's grace, we'll never be far. Please, Jennifer.
À vous de voir, Ombrecoeur, ce n'est pas à moi de vous dire ce qui est juste ou non.
Is this truly what you want?
It is what we need. All of us. You were meant to be a guiding light for Selûne's faithful, but they robbed you from us. Now that can be righted, and we can rest.
Help us, Jen. I can let go. Now I've seen your face again.
Goodbye.
Not goodbye. Not even close.
Ils sont aux côtés de la Vierge lunaire maintenant.
In a way. But they're also right here. Look. Moon motes. They bring Selûne's light to dark places and offer guidance to those in need. My parents are watching over me. Let's leave this place. There's nothing more for me here.
Et au souvenir, vous en aviez perdu d'autres, non?
More. Most, I should think. I doubt Shah will be given over to generosity. Best if I just consider them lost. I have everything I need to make new memories. As for this place, all I did here, let it stay forgotten. My parents. I saw them.
C'est terrible parce que
Spoke to them.
elle était là, elle avait l'air d'être apaisée et là maintenant c'est full dépression. Genre même pas 10 secondes après.
It's more than I can take in just now. Give me a night to try and get my head together.
Tu m'étonnes. On va regarder s'il n'y a pas d'autre chose à récupérer. Non. Bah, je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Oh, passage. Non, il y a littéralement que dalle. Je sais pas pourquoi, ils ont mis un truc. Parce qu'il n'y a rien. Mais ouais, je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là. Ça me paraît pas trop mal. Je pense que dans le prochain épisode, on va se battre contre Orin. Ça pourrait être chouette. Oh, une grille en fer. Ah, ça devait être la cage des parents de Nombrecoeur. Git décapité. Ah, c'est sûrement ce Git qui avait...
Head removed.
Ouais.
They tortured her for information, then made sure the corpse couldn't help anyone else.
Bref, du coup on va s'arrêter là. Dans le prochain épisode, je pense qu'on va se battre contre Orin. Et voilà. Des bisous et je vous dis à la prochaine. Salut YouTube.